And again, you are showing them your trusting, you have to be honest, then again you know very well your student. Your student you know. And if your student who you think that she is the best and she can take the answer and you know that she is done fever or not, you know very well. So you call that girl and answer. Take the answer of that boy and tell her that I trusted you. So you have to learn the term honesty. So next time what will happen? These will not repeat it and they will be genuine. So your work is completed in both. Am I right? So you find it very interesting. So the class you got that you can. Lot of ways are there, lot of ways are there. And give them surprises. Give them surprises. I am sure that everybody likes surprises. Good surprise. Isn't it? Today from when you go from home and you think that your family is bringing a party for you. Oh, that's a good thing. Or some good dishes have been made by mother. We like surprises. So when they come to school, I tell the teacher, school is opening, make this chart and all this and that. You know, welcome to school. Why I have to say? You are teaching. You are taking the class. That much I can to school to have. So you have to be innovative at telling you. That's why then only the thing comes better. If I am telling you, you will take 10% and 90% your effort, it will become blast. It will become hit. Super hit. That what I have said. If you take 10% from this and 19% of your effort, this will be lost. Yeah. Because if you take 90 and you are not putting 10 also 0. But if you are taking my points 10 and 90% of yours, 100%. When I don't know how many teachers think when you are teaching that. Well, I teach and still I do the same thing in the school. That I should be not remain in this premise. They should take me to their house. The children, the teacher should take me to their house. When they go back home, they should think about me and they should talk about me, they should discuss about me. I want that impact to be when I am calling the teacher, I am discussing with the teacher, and when I am coming to school, they should take me to their house. Take me not physically, what I have discussed. So when you are in the class or when you are teaching, it should be so impressive, so powerful. So much content should be there that they take that, they go home and they want to discuss. You know, when we come to know something new, we want to share it with someone. So every time they should be the sharing business. Today what ma'am has said, I should go and tell. I am 100% sure that day I was taking an assembly. I was quoting one small story about the giraffe and the baby giraffe. Baby giraffe and giraffe. Do you think that they would have shared this idea in the house? That should be incorrect. That should be incorrect. I want to teach you that only. That while coming, while sleeping, whatever I am doing, I just my life is here only in school, in education. So my presence is what I taught them. I explained them that mother giraffe is very tall. Some of you are maybe not present that time. Giraffe is very tall animals. So when she gives birth, very high, the baby giraffe is born on the ground as 8 to 10 feet, something like that. Okay. So from so high to low on the ground, what happened? The mother giraffe kicks the baby giraffe. Now the baby giraffe got surprised, shocked. Sorry, just now I am born, I came in this world, and I am kicked by my mother. Oh, she was not understanding what happened. Then within no time, again she got one kick. The mother giraffe, again she kicked the baby giraffe. What wrong I have done? The third time again she kicked. Now this time she said, no, I have to do something. So she started standing without one effort, but I should stand now. And before the fourth kick she can get, she started moving from one place to another. Now the moral of the story is why the mother was kicking? The mother was kicking because we have come this world, and this world is very cruel. You have to be more protective of yourself. And in the jungle, there are wild animals. So you have to protect yourself. So you have to learn the art of escaping, facing, running, but not standing. That is why I explain them that we are mother giraffe, the teachers, and you are our children. So we will keep you taking up, and you have to make yourself save yourself. That how you can save yourself. Okay. So the moral of the story is that we are living beings. You have to take it by hook or by crook, any kind of form, and wherever we can get knowledge, we can take that, we can learn from it, and we can utilize that. So always make this performance that every day when you come into school, you think a plan of discussing the ideas. No, not discussing with me. Think that you will come and you will teach the student this. Okay. And whatever instruction have been given from the office, same you have followed that. There should be no changes. And if there is any kind of change or any portion you want to come and discuss, I am available. If not, text in the group. If you are unable to write, voice message is there. You can give me. I will try to hear, understand, and give that feedback. Understanding? So, teaching is something very unique about yourself, and you have to be attentive. Now, maybe 10-15 minutes I am standing. How many times I sat in the class? How many times I sit on the chair? Because why? Because I want to see everyone. Okay. And it's not only for today, but I do always this thing. When I was teaching also in the class, I should be attentive like this. Okay. And if I want to sit and check, I have not given anyone permission to disturb. The performance of mine should be like this only. That I am here, so nobody will disturb me. Pin drop out, pin drop out. The class with the teacher or class with the student, it should be the same. Okay. If I want to sit, I will sit, but I will make sure that nobody will disagree with my sitting. Disagree means they are making noise, disturbing class not. But when you are teaching, you should always use blackboard. You should take some papers, keep your things ready. We are human beings, we can get little some of the point we can skip also. But when you are writing something, that you are also memorizing that point. So writing is very important. And regarding the learning portion, I have studied about the tutor, about the spelling question, about the reading. Now, you can also go better way that you prepare your student Let the other teacher come and take your part. In this, India's this you take it. Let them feel something new is happening. Let them feel that new is happening. Okay. So what will happen? Until something new thing is happening, so they will be more interested. For today they are in meeting. Today Shabnam is meeting. Okay. He will take oral. So always there will be one fear. कि रेन्यू मिस को बोल देंगे ओके रेन्यू मिस इज asking easy question, no easy question, and this part has to be more established in your paper that whatever questions you are taking test, oral or written, you have to write it down in your record copy. You know, in the full school, what we are running, I am not mentioning in material institute about that, but in Sacred Heart, I won't say 100%, but at least some of the questions implemented by Sharista is very nicely the copy implemented, the record copy, and the challenge that any student is absent, not complete the work, done the work, exactly that what I wanted. Is mentioned. Yesterday, one incident happened with Tamanna Miss. She was keeping on searching the record where she was able to answer the query. And that is very reluctant of the teacher, not only Tamanna Miss, but maximum teachers. They won't keep a record. Record is very important. Okay. So I will hear you. Tell me. That should be ready. When you are attentive, then only you will be ready. You have to write all the things. You have to fill up. You have to be attentive. Now what I will do, what I want to explain it all. Okay. That copy matters. The marks matter. You know, what I observe the teachers what they do. Ma'am, I have given you project file. You have not given marks. How that is possible? If you are sincere, your student will come and ask you. And I have given you project file, but you have not given the mark. I submitted draft, but you have not given the mark. How insulting that. Again, one incident I will tell about myself. Okay. It's not about my something great, but just one experience I want to share. So I hope you don't mind sharing. About my children, my elder daughter. She was in class 3, and I had gone to my nurse place, and the car, in my car, our bag was kept. Okay. Somebody came and took the bag. Now the full books are there, copies are there. I don't know if they got the robbers my bag found something good is there, but only books was there. So they robbed the book and they went. Now I went to the school, got a new set of books. But what about the copies, about the marks, about the this and that? So many things are there. The sister, she told me, sorry, don't worry, we have to take it. I have learned. Though I have to maintain. But I learned one lesson from her. That her teacher is so capable that her unitus marks, those are copies were with her. But the marks was recorded in the record. So I asked my teacher, they will see, yes sir, I have done. If I really go and see, I will see no marks. Then and then, when you check in the copy, note down the mark, which is very, very important. This they take advantage. Children, they take advantage of this only, that my teacher they don't inform. If I say 25 marks I got, you are write 25 marks. Understood? I have seen the weakest student, the weak, doesn't come to the school, they get good marks in the world. In maximum school, I'm not talking about my school, I'm talking about general. They give marks randomly. Why tell me? Because yes, I told you that standard.
Yes, sir.
This is the correct answer actually. What actually we have used to make because both are segments. Teachers give the marks as a gift. So nothing is a gift. There is no lunch free in this world. For every lunch you have to go. You have to teach this thing. And some incapable teacher, they give the marks like that. Understood? Now I just want to relate one thing. This thing called board. They take examination. There's passing marks on the test. When they pass, what happens? They are not getting admission in class 11 in goods. They don't get admission in science. They are not getting admission in commerce. The reason is what? They are getting 25% marks or 50% marks, but at least 50% is the ratio, 40% ratio to get the marks. And some schools they have kept 50 marks, 80%, 90%. So what aggregate they had before, it can become good, then 23%, 22%. But now it's 25%. It's gone below. So that is why the quality is gone down. Only the children are passing, but they are not basic knowledge. Even they don't can't do anything. They can't do anything. Obviously, maybe there was so much suicide ratio was there just to if not my okay? Just to have more suicide less ratio. That is why they stop feeling. Maybe can be like that. That the government should not commit anything regarding that. But what I can say is that if you are sincere teacher, if you are teaching, they should know what they have to struggle for 1 mark. You have to be a strict teacher. You have to be a knowledgeable teacher. You have to do your homework. That for 1 mark they have to really beg. This could have given 1 mark over here. I am sure that you must have found this in your life when you were doing schooling. But the same thing you are not reflecting. Why? Because you are not doing your homework properly. To do your homework properly, you have to always keep your mind in one thing. The school should be fascinating you. And that should attract you to come to school. And your power, what you have to show them. Anyhow, don't check the copy randomly. You are not saying they don't cross stream. They are not putting full stop. They are not giving full finger space when they start the paragraph. They are not using capital letters. They are in between they are using capital letters. So these are all bad ethics. So many times, so many years I have been observing the teachers are doing the same thing. The joining letter, and now it's more worse because of the WhatsApp. They don't write the full spelling. Thanks, short. And so many words are there which I can't remember also, and because I don't practice also. It's very short. Huh? Please. ELZ, please, yeah. So you can understand the formation, where the formation is going. By saying all this is shortcut, everything shortcut, everything is instant. 2 minutes Maggie, instant. Okay, you forgot all is instant. Passing all is instant. I'll come the last moment. That your subject, your master, they will request you, ma'am, please give me half mark, I will pass. You could have given marks over here. It should be like that. And one more thing, there are a lot of things, but in this aspect I will say, analyzing part. In most of the school, what I have observed, I keep on visiting so many schools and getting interaction with so many schools and students and teachers and principals. In that regard, I am saying that in school they are getting 80% marks, 70%, 90%, even 100 marks they get. But in the board exam, they are not getting 40% also. They are not getting 30% also. Some are failing. Now, how you will category these? How you going to calculate? In a class, one boy is getting 50% mark, and in the board, they are getting 30%, 40%, or they are failing. The reason was that I have analyzed that it is just opposite. In the class, they should get 30%, 40%, and they should get 80% the board. Because in the class we should be very strict about checking. But over here, we want the teacher very lenient with the student. And why they are lenient? Why they are lenient? Because they are not capable of teaching. I don't say they can, but they don't do their homework. You must be hearing this homework, because they don't really come to teach. So the just to come for the sake of wasting time, or what I will do in the house, better go and spend some time in school. So that is it. Real teaching is what? That you will give 30 marks, the board will give 40 marks, 50 marks. Because you are making them ready for the board work, board examination. But it's just opposite. Because the teacher is not capable, because of that, they are giving good marks, and the children will not come and question me. So be careful. There is no subject where you can get 100 marks exception of mathematics. But in mathematics, there are portions where you can cut down the marks. You can go for the rough work, neat test, step marking. There are categories. So that is why when you are giving the marks, keep this in mind. The point in your head is how to give the marks. Prepare yourself very nicely, very wisely when you are distributing the marks. Be very attentive that when they do good in the board, they will come and praise you. Means because of you, I am able to do good. Because we have deducted marks for not crossing the T. You have deducted the marks for weakness. You have not deducted the marks for not underlining the answer. You have deducted the marks for not doing the rough work. You have deducted the marks for the neatness. You have deducted the marks for not giving on time. So this will teach all good habits. This will teach all good habits, and mark my word, they will do very well. And you will be praised, and you will be paid. Paid means I won't be paying extra salary. The paid means the respect by the student, by the parent. When you will walk on the road now, the student will come and say, good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Because for your work, you have been praised. So that you have to earn that respect. Because this work, you have to work. Okay, the teaching is not very easy. It's the most difficult work. If you go to see the labor carrying heavy load on their head, muscle power, but we are using brain. And when the brain gets tired, the whole body gets tired. I know that a German teacher has lot of stress, lot of burden, but again, the term comes enjoying. When you really love teaching, enjoy teaching, then nobody can stop, and you can bring it very good concept of teaching among the students to be attentive in the class. And lot of things are there. Lot of school should be a place where the children, the teachers should enjoy. I remember in different state, I don't know anybody belonging to the state or not. There is one school in Rafi Ahmed Bible. In Majestic Cinema, you have heard about Majestic Cinema. You said there is one school still there, Patterson Day School. Okay, a very good school it was. Once upon a time was out. That was maintained by Christians. One incident I would like to say that in our area, Dr. Alam was very famous. Dr. Alam, very famous doctor. His daughter, she wanted to be a teacher. She went for interview to the school, Patterson Day School. And when the principal asked, the lady principal, she asked that the father is doctor. Then why you want to work in a school? And those days 250 was a salary. Okay. Obviously, the things were not that expensive also. So the principal asked that your father is a doctor and not that funny doctor. Very good doctor. Means from morning till night. It is called 365 days rush. Okay. And we used to go to him. That doctor, very renowned, very successful doctor, the daughter went and asked for a job. So the principal asked that your father is a doctor. Why you want to come about your school? What will you give? Then that lady, very genuine lady, Dr. Alan's daughter, she said that I am getting to the house. I said, better go and work in reserve too. So what the principal replied was that my school is not a garden. My school is not a garden that you are coming for picnic and wasting my time. She never appointed her. She never appointed her. And both that lady I know personally. I am very younger for them. Okay, very younger. But I know both of them. So this is the incident that if you are thinking just coming here because you are getting good in the house, this are you sleeping? You feel bad. So this happens here that if you are coming to school only because you want to get rid from the house, so when you are using mobile, the mother or father say why you are using mobile, why you are talking on mobile. If you are going, want to avoid your parents and coming over here and want to disturb us, distract the student, then do it. Okay. It's very practical thing that we are doing. Basically, I think that just to avoid the family and to be more with the phone, they come. And nobody can ignore this. This is very genuine. It's through my observation. It's my observation which I observe and I whatever distinguishes have been done regarding teaching and body language and about teaching. It's my observation and practical and practicing these things which I have come across. So if you want to pass time with the same point of view, This is not a garden, a place where you can have a picnic. But if you really enjoy, then this is a perfect place for you. You can enjoy, you can share your ideas, you can build the story. And you know, the best part of teaching is what? The best part of teaching is this, that when you come to school, small baby, you come and say, good morning, ma'am. It's so beautiful. Good morning, sir. So beautiful. Like if suppose we are in some cooperative world, always this question I have to take this position, I have to spell out, I have to remove this one. Some consonants is there, this is there, that is there. But see the smile of the boy in the girl, with no filter, very natural, very natural. So this natural thing is only one thing we get in this world. And obviously we get parents. As a mother is very important for everyone because what we have observed, I am sure that you must have also observed that mother is your first teacher, mother is your doctor, mother is your engineer, mother is your anything if you need, that is mother. When you are early days, you want to make something, your mother comes and help you. Any good food you want to have, your mother tries to make you. Anything, any habit, good habit, the manners, your mother. So, I consider my teacher to be the same, that you are not just a teacher, you are a doctor, you are an engineer, anything. Because for the children, that giving us example of my daughter, that you are everything. You have more knowledge than you. When you are sick, your mother gives you medicine. They don't go first to the doctor. They know exactly that what is suffering or what is having problem with my child. So that is a God gifted, nothing filtered, nothing being taught, and by birth we know this. We call about sixth sense. These are all about and about the school, about the teaching, and if anyone is passionate, obviously this will come to you also. What is happening in the school, I don't have to. You don't have to come and tell me. I get you to understand myself. There is some kind of frequency which comes and hits me, and I call a meeting to educate my teachers, to take knowledge from them, to give my knowledge to them, exchange your knowledge so we can build a good future. Okay, so and paper which I have given to all the teachers, you all follow of that. But one thing, keep this in your mind that nobody will be relieved from my opposition. You are all under my opposition. Do your work sincerely, and especially Satya means you have to be very attentive. Usma means very attentive to in the class. Every children will be is important for you. They should take you to their house. जब घर जाए तो आपके बारे में ये बात कही गई बहुत अच्छी है, हमको स्कूल जाना है, लेकिन बात ये होता है जैसे कि मुझे स्कूल जाना नहीं है तो मिस मार आप घर जा रहे हैं एक नेगेटिव ग्रुप में, लेकिन हम चाहते हैं कि पॉजिटिव ग्रुप में जाए और पेरेंट्स लोग ये कंप्लेन ना करें कि ये कॉपी नहीं मिला है, ये मिस हुआ। Everybody is being asked to keep the copy visible. If you are having any kind of problem, if you require any kind of just in case, or if you want me to provide anything, please be very specific. You can go and tell examiners. I will try to provide that. Okay. I am also reminding. Okay, and the more if you don't come and tell me, I will think that everything is perfect. Okay, so you are also come and tell me, and I am asking you all to keep the copies over here, but copies will go on that side. Again, that room, this room. So the teacher are present over here. So please collect all the copies, keep in this room, make a proper place, take the help of Marcia is here, and all the school adults to same way you have to do it. And especially I would like to give them this, I would like to say yes miss and Julia miss that follow the instruction very carefully, very strict way, nothing should be overlooked. Which I see that every time is being overlooked, so not like that. Especially Julia miss, you won't follow instruction. Nothing, every day you must be observing that we see you keep on telling you. The time is not maintained by you or by the teacher, it has to be maintained at any cost. At any cost. Okay. And problem, many times I said that problems are there, solutions are not there, but you have to take because apart from the teachers, students, all of the students are this, they are in other school of mine. Okay, so they have to be more careful and the piece of work, whatever is there, we have to make sure that you are there, you have to come to school because it's not the Lincoln school, it's your school. And if you are not there, then who will be there in the school? You have to think. I don't fall sick because I think that if I am not there, then who will be there? And I don't want that. So you have to think that somebody is back of you, you are holding full, you have to be attentive. The teacher has to do the same thing. That if you are absent, that means the full class is going off. Not only one class, two class, but all the class. So those who are regular, they are regular. I don't have to say you need to do that. But those who are irregular, those who don't maintain time, they have to maintain time. Because one thing you have to agree with yourself that if you whatever you will give, that you will get back. So if I am pointing out one finger to you, the rest is pointing to me back. So you have to be careful enough to educate yourself and to teach the children proper good manner. Teaching is very vast. It is not possible for me or to anyone to sum up in one day or 1 hour, 2 hours or 3 hours, but it is lifelong business to understand, to learn, to change and think and work. Lot of extra things are there. I know all of you have come on Saturday. I appreciate that. I'm thankful to all of you that have been trying so much and listened to me so carefully, so graciously, so peacefully. And I hope that you all do good job in upcoming days. Okay, and I should not keep on telling you this, because you all are very important for me, for my school, for the children, for the society, and I take an oath to be genuine, to be more better than before. So you all take the same thing, to be more genuine and better than on today. So that is called practicing. Keep on doing that. I hope we will end up with a good step. I know that either if you want to say something for the teachers, please say.
So duties.
Yes.
The chart is written that everyone knows the duties. Still, I or the office, any staff, they have to agree has to come and remind them. So I just want to tell the teachers that they know the duties every day. 5 minutes before that will duty commence. Not exactly 11:45 or not exactly 8:30. 5 minutes before the duty. Because the parents start coming to the
Now, in this category, what I am telling you that regarding the disposable time, it is very, very crucial and very important part. You have to see, I know that you are taking class. If any way teacher comes, okay, then you can make them wait in your class and you go back to your position. Because see, this kind one adjustment is there. How they can summarize the work properly and how we can actually work. So if you ask me for colleagues, and all should be wholehearted. Happily when you do, there is a lot of this coming. I don't want always that I should give instruction. I want you all to follow the same thing in easy way. If that day one incident happened, I came and I saw that woman was standing in the gate. I stood at given instruction. She said, Mercy is there, but she is not going back. Okay, I understood Mercy is not there, but when I am there, in spite of standing on the bed position, okay, it's about not waiting for anyone, about your own consciousness. How we can do more better. How we can do the things. You know, my school, when I was running in different cities before, in one phase, I had a plot in fifth floor. Fifth floor is my fifth floor, the topest floor, and from Montessori to plus 12. One very big floor, double of this. Now you can imagine the morning session is over, day session is coming. The what timing and the school we have a senior and junior in the morning, and then from 1 to 5 we have the day section 6. The same pattern I had to happen in that. From 5th floor to ground floor, there was no problem. From 5th floor we used to keep one bucket down, one parent, two parents, three parents, one bucket classes. They have been taught that Gurva comes correct the card. We should correct the card, put in the bucket. We should put the bucket and distribute the class. So how we have the office over here and the class, the same pattern we have there. But organized. One day is not the content, it's organized. We have to follow the instruction every day. All 365 days, there was no problem. From 5th floor the children are coming down. From ground to 5th floor they are going up. Till 2012, there were no mishap. So many years we run the school successfully, nicely, peacefully, no problem. No problem. You can imagine 5th floor and it is 1st floor. And thus when I should teach them, I started going up and down at least 10 to 15 times a day. Because we'll teach them as to present myself, and then I have to go to multiple to see that school. So that up and down was there. Morning I am going up, then getting down, then again coming to Tuxia for a school, then coming back to be back, just to teach the student and the teachers. And within a month everything was organized, and I had any problem. So that up and down kept me fit, still I am fit. So that up and down nothing, and you are so young. But one thing is that very difficult. The teamwork, I always say, teaching institute teamwork, cooperation is very important. If I am only telling you, and if you are not doing it, we need to it will happen. It will happen. See, Rome was not a big country. In whatever the areas we have to work, we work. But only thing is that this complaint should come to the school, and this complaint where you can go for the amendment and go for the better. Not this case, but this should complaint should come to the office so we can work in that. Okay, sure. So this should be there. The teamwork, we always go for teamwork, and Rajan doesn't have any problem. The teacher over there was very well, and I was happy to see Dr. Blanket teacher was present much more before than I school. So they are more better. I think I stopped coming also here also. Then only they will be better. They will come to school on time. They will come to meeting on time. So timing is very important. The success of person is getting only when you are maintaining the time. Okay, there are so many examples in our life, so many examples. You know Manmohan sir. Manmohan sir is there. Okay. He worked in many school of mine. He went and worked in Kutsior, in Matiaguch. In Matiaguch, he used to go with me. Matiaguch used to go with me. And before time, like 8 o'clock the class will start, 7:30, 7:45 we are there. Just near the village. He is getting down just at the entrance of the school. Sir, I am coming. That 2 minutes got 20 minutes. What happened? Then I have always cross checking. I said, you will not want to. But it's not there. Then I said, when he comes, he tells me. He came after the period. Yes, sir. He said to me, I said, maybe you want to have tea or something. Class will settle down. I asked, sir, I have come. I said, no, you have come. But you have come 10 past 8. You should have come 10 to 8, but you come 10 past 8. So that is a habit. And this moral of the story is habit. So that we have to change. Timing is what? Second heart is in the same position. Your school in the same position. It's nothing going far or near. You have to adjust. You have to. If you say that I have to catch an auto, I have to catch a bus, you have to go before time. When you have to catch train, the train will wait for you. You go away. And you cannot call them and tell them, sir, the road was jammed. I was not in passenger. This and that. It is understandable that you have to change it. You have to come fast. You have to come fast to be in a position to see the teacher, to see the student. So, and one word is called cooperation. We can have problem. I don't say that you don't have problem. You can. I agree with it. But you can also see me also. That even I will have problem. But I am going to school. I am also mentally. So even I cannot see. I cannot see anybody having problem. Because you tell me that when I am not there, I am there. I am also there. Because if you make up your mind that you have to go and experience so many things, you will forcefully come to school. You cannot hold yourself to home, the house. Because if you have so many things to share, then only will come. When you think, what I will do by going to school, nothing is there. Then you will be better by staying back home. It's very, very small thing, and I hope some of the things you can take and bring it to your agency. You can do very well. Okay. Thank you very much. Again, and if it is meeting the principal for you and it is nice, also stay for the meeting. I know that nobody will ask for the meeting, but from my gratitude, I can say that if it is peaceful or you understanding the things, we should have more meetings like this. Then let me know. Thank you.